Imagining a day without computers and printers in work has become near to impossible in this era of digital commerce. From its inception, printing technology has been developing over the years, and right now, laser printing is the most advanced form of paper printing technology. Among the printer manufacturers, the name of Brother is widely known for its well-functioning, efficient, and quality laser printers. Brother Compact Monochrome Laser Printer HLL2350DW is a fantastic machine that we've selected to discuss today.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The HLL2350DW is a compact but highly productive energy-efficient laser printer from Brother that fits in a small space. The monochrome printer is highly efficient in printing and it's quite fast at printing. You may expect to print around 32 pages per minute. The duty cycle of the machine is quite high, and you can expect it to print up to 15,000 pages. The paper tray can hold 250 sheets of paper, which definitely would save your paper refilling time. Just like most of the office printers, the HLL2350DW allows letter and legal size printing. The duplex printing technology will let you print both sides of the paper automatically. It comes with the Brother TN760 cartridges, which last for a long time and provides an impression of approximately 3,000 pages. It would reduce your printing cost. The printer can be connected using both wired and wireless features. The wireless feature makes printing more accessible and more convenient, as you can send a printing task using your laptop, desktop, mobile, and tablet. The printer has a dimension of 14.2 by 14 by 7.2 inches, and it weighs 15.9 pounds only. The printer driver can be installed in any operating system, i.e. Windows, Mac, or Linux. It's time we review the user's ratings and come up with an overall idea about the monochrome laser printer. The printer has got 4 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 7,088 user ratings, which suggests that the printer is highly recommended by most of the buyers. It's got such high scores due to its excellent printing quality. Here are some real users' comments. One user has given 5 stars and commented, "The whole family can now print from various Apple devices to this printer, thanks to its AirPrint capability. The printer quality is good, and the automatic double-sided printing will save a lot of paper." Another user has provided 5 stars and wrote, "Brother HLL2350DW model, great product. Set up in minutes, just press the Wi-Fi button on the printer and the WPS button on my modem, and the printer recognized it instantly. I'm a happy customer." Although most of the users liked the product, but some people didn't like the printer. Among them, one user gave 1 star and wrote, "The wireless connection is problematic, as it seems I have problems in connecting with my devices most of the time, and the problem makes me angry sometimes." That's all we have on the Brother Compact Monochrome Laser Printer HLL2350DW for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.